homemade noodles. But before that, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Tasya Trivena. I am Zefanya Miqeila. So guys, these are factors and ingredients we need to make noodles. Like this is a flour and water. This is a bowl and this is a pan for boiling. Okay, stay tuned. Thank you. Okay guys, put 10 tablespoons of flour into a bowl. Add 1 egg yolk. Control it until it evenly mixed and becomes smooth. Then we let it sit for about 1 hour before setting the dough.
Kenapa yang belum anu? Diam. Tutup yang lapar. Kenapa belum?
Okay guys, after 1 hour, we will slowly shape the dough into a long and wide shape.
Prepare a pan filled with water. Turn on the stove and heat the water until it's boiled.
Add the noodles and boil over medium heat. Okay guys, after the noodles are cooked, turn off the stove and drain the noodles. Guys, after that, put the noodles in a bowl that has been provided with a seasoning. Hi guys, this is the result of our noodles, like this. goodbye. Thank you for watching.